What's the good in toasting to a new year if there's nothing in your glass? Well, not many of these folks were able to get any bubble in their glasses, so I'm not sure there'll be a much help either. Coming in at number 22 in our countdown
Alam ko
is
mamimiss niyo ako, pero
Champagne Fall.
ganun talaga buhay. We have blue, red, and green. Blue, red, times 2. Para sa mga lucky colors na yan.
The
So,
determination and
maraming aabangan sa January, kaya dapat abang-abang kayo. So,
what Harry doesn't know is the cork is plotting its own surprise party.
Kung nanonood dito sa live viewers ba? Wala po, wala. Kailangan mo, kung gusto mong manalo dito or makasali sa payday rebate natin, 3 to 1, let the color give a gate and let's roll the dice. May mechanics doon. And every 5th and 20th of the month yun, ha? We have white, red, and yellow. Red, yellow times 2. Para sa mga lucky person.
Consider
Mga
using
lucky
it
wako.
to make glass shards.
Wako, ayun o. Ayun yung red mo. Country winners. Lucky! Parang chicken And jackpot natin, 4.8 million na yan, ha? 4.8 million na yan. Sana pagka binigay yan, naka 100 pesos total bet.